In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send money using your Wise app. So what you need to do would be to log into your Wise application, and once it is open on the home platform, you just click on send. So once you click on send, you can choose between sending from an account outside of Wise or sending from your Wise balance. In this case, I'm going to choose sending from my Wise balance. So since my Wise balance is in euros, that would determine how much I am sending, the currency I am sending from. All right. So if, for example, I want to also send to someone in euros, I can click that. If I want to send to someone in USD, I would also look for that and also click that. All right. So once you have done this, you just click on continue. And the next thing you need to do will be to look for the contact. You can use the name of the person. If the person already has a Wise tag, you can use that, an email address or phone number. In this case, I would use, for example, an email address. I'll just include that, and it's going to show the person who owns this account. So afterwards, you would find the review details. You will see how much you are sending, the fees that you incur, and how much the person is going to receive. And afterwards, you click on confirm and send, and voila, you have sent money using your Wise app. I hope this video is helpful. If you found it useful, follow for more.